Shopify for free. This is how you can use Shopify for free, because Shopify offers 30 days free trial. When you click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, you can able to use Shopify's 30 days free trial. But now let me show you how to use Shopify with your 30 days free trial, guys. Okay, as you can see that I am inside the members area of Shopify. So what you need to do, you will see orders here. You can also see how many orders you have in a Shopify store. You can able to see the abandoned checkouts, people who are on the checkout but they didn't purchase. You can see everything there. Now let me show you how to add your own product. Just click here to add a product. Then on Shopify, you can able to add your own product. You can able to import existing product in your Shopify store. It is so easy. Now let me show you how you can able to add your own product on Shopify. Just click here at the black button, add a product. Then here on this page, first of all, you have to make sure that the status of your Shopify store, it is active, because so many beginners, they are making this mistake. They are saying inactive. Make sure the status, it is active. Then you have to go to title. Then under title on Shopify, you have to put the title of the product that you want to sell here. Then for the product description, I use this AI tool from Shopify, which will write the product description for me automatically. I'm gonna put some related keywords for the product that I want to sell here on Shopify. I'm gonna put my product keywords and I'll click here to generate. Then this AI tool is gonna write for me my product description for me automatically. As you can see, it is done. I'm gonna keep it. And then what you need to do now, you have to go to media. Under media on Shopify, you have to select images or videos that are related to the product that you want to sell. Okay, then you can also go to category. Under category on Shopify, it allows you to choose related categories for the product that you want to sell on Shopify. Now we're gonna go to pricing. Under pricing, you have to put the price that you want to sell your product here. Just put the price here, guys. It is so simple. This is how much your customers they wanna pay you this money. Then you have to put the cost per item. The cost per item, it means how much it is costing you to buy this product in your supplier. Then Shopify is gonna show you the profit that you'll be making, and also Shopify is gonna show you the margins that you'll be making whenever a customer places an order in your Shopify store, guys. This is how easy it is to add your own products on Shopify, guys. Okay, then when you are done, you can just click here to save this. It's gonna be saved automatically in a Shopify store. You can also see collections. You can also able to see inventories. You can able to check purchasing orders. You can able to do transfers, meaning that you can send money into your bank account or into PayPal, guys, using Shopify. Now after that, you're gonna go to here, as I said, under collections. You can create a collection, multiple collections in a Shopify store. Now let's go to customers. Then for customers on Shopify, what you need to do here, you can able to see your customers' details, like how they are performing. You can able to track or to see how many orders they've been placed in a Shopify store. If you have a store that you have an upsells, you can check everything there under under customers. Then you can also go to analytics. Then for analytics on Shopify, you can able to track on how your store it is performing. You can check the total sales you can for today, and also check total sales for yesterday. Check for total sales maybe for last month. You can also check the online store sessions, like how many people they are in a store right now. You can also check the average value, the average order value. You can also check the top selling products. If you're selling multiple products on Shopify, you can also check the returning customer rate. You can also check the sales attributed to marketing on Shopify, guys. Now let's go to marketing. Under marketing, you can able to send email marketing on Shopify for customers who went through on the checkout but they didn't purchase. You can send email follow-ups on Shopify so that you can get more orders via emails using Shopify. Then you can also go to discount. You can also offer some discounts on Shopify, maybe 10% discounts, maybe 20% discount, so that you can trace the orders of your Shopify store, guys. You can also go to online stores. These are online store. These are the done for you stores that Shopify is gonna give you when you're using Shopify, guys. Okay, you can take a look at these done for you themes. Done for you stores. You can put your own logos. You can put your own domain on these done for you stores, guys. Okay, but first of all, if you want to get access to the Shopify's 30 days free trial, click the link down